This destination has been on our bucket list for years, and now we finally made it. Cancun and the Riviera Maya. Nestled off the coast of Cancun lies the enchanting and colorful Isla Mujeres. We journeyed to the rugged southern shores and relaxed on the pristine northern beaches. One magical afternoon, we sailed on a catamaran over turquoise blue waters, snorkeled among the vibrant reefs, and even spotted a turtle. We're so grateful for these moments, and our next destination promises serene beauty. Isla Holbox. Here we admired the vibrant wall art, wandered through stretches of shallow water, and relaxed on the enchanting beaches. Our mornings began with delightful breakfasts, and afternoons were filled with the sights and sounds of the diverse wildlife. After a few days, we had to continue our journey to Valladolid. With its rich history and vibrant culture, we explored the colorful streets that are filled with charming colonial houses. We swam in crystal-clear cenotes and enjoyed delicious meals at authentic Mexican restaurants. We visited the nearby Chichen Itza, one of the 7 wonders of the world. After visiting this magnificent destination, we ventured off to Playa del Carmen. This place promised both adventure and relaxation. We eagerly embarked on an expedition to swim with turtles. We experienced the second largest reef on Earth through diving. After all that adventuring, we deserved a serene day unwinding on the flawless expanses of sandy shorelines before we ventured off to our final destination, Tulum, where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. Exploring the ancient Mayan ruins, perched dramatically along the shoreline, left us in awe. Venturing into the pristine wilderness of Cancun Biosphere Reserve, we were captivated by the lush mangroves and diverse wildlife as we floated along. We discovered different cenotes, offering moments of serenity and wonder. Along the hotel strip, we visited art and watched the sunset behind panoramic ocean views. While spoiling our taste buds with the best flavors of Mexico, our stay was truly unforgettable. Our adventures wouldn't have been as flawless without Odigo. From planning our holiday to seamlessly assisting us every step of the way, their dedication ensured that every aspect of our trip was perfect. Thanks to Odigo, our holiday was truly unforgettable.